Morning, dear students. Actually, in the last class we had to discuss in this chapter directing styles of leadership. Styles of leadership. What we already discussed. Afterwards, one more important concept is there in the chapter. That is communication. About this communication, how the concept regarding that meaning and definition, elements of computer, importance of computer, and then regarding that information is there. So in that we have to discuss what does it mean communication. Why the communication is, what is that communication? Here under this the communication, here direct under the one of the main important element under this here communication under the directing, one of the main important, another important element of directing, that is communication. What is communication? Why it is important? Just here, for the purpose of getting success by the manager, the communication is very important. How the communication of manager, depending upon the communication of the manager, the development of the organization is started. So that's why here the development, the communication is one of the key role of the development of the organization. So that's why here one of the another important concept under this directing is the communication. Where how the proper communication is there, where how the proper here communications between the manager, top level management, lower level management, and the middle level management, where have the proper communication, proper coordination, in that time only possible to getting the success of the organization. So that's why here the communication is also one of the main important concept. Now let us see what does it mean. Before that, the word communication is arrived from the Latin word communis. The communication, the word communication derived from the Latin word from the communis, which means common. Which means common. Maybe for ask one more. The word communication derived from dash communis, which means it means common. So that is next we have to discuss what does it mean. Give the meaning of communication. Very simple. So communication, it is in a process of exchange of information. It is a process of exchange of information between two or more person to reach common understanding. This is called as communication. Now here if you ask for 2 marks, either 1 mark like that. What is communication? Communication, it is a process of exchange information between two or more persons to reach common understanding. So it's called as communication. Otherwise, we can say that communication is here. The communication is here. It means communication implies the understanding. Communication divided the different ways. Generally, it is a communication means understand. Generally, the process of exchange of ideas, views, facts, feelings. The process of exchange. Also, we can say the process of exchange views, thoughts, facts, feelings like that. Here between 1 or 2 persons. That is called communication. You can write it. You can write this one. What is communication? The communication, it is the process of exchange information between 2 or more persons to reach common understanding. Is called as communication. That's it. Now next definition is there. Definition. Definition. See here in our textbook many definition is there. We don't want many definition. Just we can select the best. Which one is best? Which one is easy? Which one you can read understanding easy? That one you can select. Definition. When ask a definition, ask a question, define any question. That time you can write whatever the author will have in our mind and mention. Here, according to here certain authors is there, according to Lewis Allen is there, according to Harold Kuntz and Genj and then Robertson. Left, first one is left, second one is you can select. According to Harold Kuntz and Genj. Radkunj and then Verich define the management, the communication. What does it mean? Radkunj and Verich, see your textbook, have the definition. It means definition. Now here, according to Radkunj, define about communication. The communication means the transfer of information. The transfer of information from sender to receiver. Means sender to receiver. Sender means here who discuss, who say the information to who want receiver, who want the information receiver, who say the information, their sender, with the information being understood by the receiver. It is. It means here the transfer of information from sender to the receiver with the information being understood by the receiver. Understood by the receiver. So receiver is called as a communication. That's it. Next, one more important concept. Elements of communication. Maybe ask for 8 marks. For also may be possible 2 marks and 4 marks. State any 2 elements of communication. Explain any 4 or 2 marks and also 4 marks. Explain any 4 elements of communication. In that out of 8, you can explain 4 for 4 marks. If you are 8 point is enough, for 8 marks also eligible this question. Explain the elements of communication. So now the main important elements are, it's here, the elements of the communication is, the main important elements are sender, message, encoding, media, decoding, receiver, feedback, noise. So these are all the main important elements of communication. For important part of the examination for 8 marks. Explain the elements of communication, or maybe also what is communication, explain the elements of communication. So yeah, the main important elements are sender, message, encoding, media, decoding, receiver, feedback, noise. So these are all the main important elements. Now we have to discuss, just you can understand what does it mean. Now to discuss one by one. First one is sender. Who is the sender? Clear. Sender means, who is the sender? Sender means a person who conveys his thought or ideas to the receiver. Here is a person. Sender is a person who conveys his ideas, his thoughts, his facts, his views, his feelings to the receiver, to convey the receiver. Here I have given the information to you. You are all, I have conveyed. It is an important for the part of examination. You can read much like that. I have given the information. I am the sender. The sender is the person who conveys his facts, his ideas, his thoughts to the receiver. And then sender represents source of communication. Here it is one of the source of communication. Sender represents as a source of communication. So that is the sender. That's it. Understand? Sender means, sender is a person who conveys his thoughts, his feelings, his opportunities to the receiver. Sender is one of the main important source of communication. Next, message. Message means here, it means information. What about the information here? Message means what? Message means it is content of ideas, feelings, suggestions. Here it is the message is content of ideas, feelings, thoughts, order, etc. intended by the communication purpose. Yeah, we have to give a communication purpose. That's all. Next here, encoding. It means encoding means it is the process of converting the message into the communication symbols such as words, pictures, gestures. Here it is converting the message into the gestures, symbols, into words. Now, encoding means, what is encoding? Encoding, it means the encoding means transferring the information, converting the information into the message. Whatever the encoding is in here, it is in the process of converting the message into the communication symbols such as words, pictures, symbols. You know? So that is media. It is one of the room. It is one of the channel providing the information. Either directly, either face to face, either internet, either mobile, either message, like in which way, in which route, in which path we have to use to providing the information to the receiver. Now, at the time when providing information by the sender to the receiver, that time the sender, how can you reach information to the receiver? So that is that. No? So that is the media. You can use channel like that. Here the media means it is a path through which encoded message is transmitted to the receiver. The media or channel may be in the written form, face-to-face, phone, either message, either internet, like that. In which way, in which channel, in which route he has to inform to the receiver by the sender. Next up, decoding. So here, decoding means it is a process of converting encoded symbols of the sender. Here. It is a process of encoded symbols of the receiver sender. That is called decoding. It is the process of converting encoded symbols. Here it is the process of converting encoded symbols of the sender. That is decoding. Next, receiver means here. Receiver is a person. He is also not a person. Receiver, the person who receives the communication of the sender. Receiver is a person who listen the information, who receive the information from the sender. That much only you can write. See in our textbook, that much only easy. Feedback, replay, any comment, So feedback means here, it includes all those actions of receiver indicating that he has to receive or understand message from sender. Here, feedback includes information of the receiver. Yes, information of the receiver. Yes, I have to dictate information to the students here. When I have to dictate certain information about that information, if you have any comments, if you have any feedback, that time who received here provide. If you have any mistake, I can't understand sir, this is concept. So this is what is it means like feedback after providing the information. After listening the information about that information, certain questions, certain comments, certain opinions are expressed. That is the feedback. Feedback includes all those actions of receiver. Who received, but not the content, the information regarding the sender. Only receiver include. Receiver information is included. Receiver after received, you only discuss about it. Next one, noise. It means here having the noise means some obstructions or hindrance to the communication. And this discuss sound like that. So these are all the main important elements of the communication. From that the concept we can mainly concentrate what is the meaning of communication, definition of communication, and elements of communication. And one more is there, the word communication derived from the Latin word communis. About this concept we can concentrate. So regarding next concept we will discuss in the next class. Thank you very much.